Hey you guys, I'm back with a new recipe. Welcome back to my channel with me, Shumaila. Crab is a great source of protein. It contains omega-3 fatty acids. It also increases immunity power and so on. So today I'll be showing you how I make quick and easy cream crab soup. Made with fresh crab, a comforting recipe with a rich creamy base, this recipe has a special trick for making sure every bowl gets plenty of delicious lump crab meat. So let's see how I make it. First, I'm going to make crab stock. Take a pan. Add 4 to 5 pieces of crab. To this, I'm adding 1 cup of sliced carrot, 5 garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon peppercorn. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and adding 6 cups of water. Cook this for at least 20 minutes in a slow flame. Strain it and keep aside. Melt 3 tablespoons of butter in a medium-high heat. Goes in finely chopped garlic. To this I'm adding 1 medium-sized finely chopped onions. Fry this till it becomes translucent. Goes in 1 cup crab flesh. Cook this for 5 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. To this I'm adding 1 teaspoon red chilli flakes. Goes in 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour. Give a very good mix. And now I'm going to pour crab stock in it. Mix it nicely. To this I'm adding some water. Goes in carrot puree. Boil 2 carrots and make a puree and add it into the soup. Give a very good mix. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Goes in half teaspoon of mixed herbs. Close the lid and cook for 10 minutes in a slow flame. To this I'm adding 1 cup of fresh cream. Give a very good mix. Finally add 2 tablespoons of corn flour mixed with water. Cook for 1 minute and switch off the flame. And serve hot with some fresh grounded pepper. A bowl of warm soup is cold weather comfort food and it's hearty, full of flavor and so easy to make. I hope you guys like this recipe and I encourage you to try this at home, and don't forget to tag us on Instagram shimmys.kitchen. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. When you do, click that little bell icon so that you will get notification every time we post a new recipe. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Till then, take good care of yourself and happy cooking.